Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the updated process for logging into Discord. Whether you're a newcomer or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Discord app on your device. You'll find the app easily, whether you're using a smartphone or a computer. Just a quick click or tap, and you're one step closer to connecting with your friends and communities. Next, once the app is open, look for the Login button. It's usually front and center on the screen. Tap that button to proceed. This step is essential, so don't skip it. Now, it's time to enter your credentials. Here, you'll need to type in either your email address or your phone number, depending on how you set up your account. Make sure you double-check that everything is correct to avoid any login issues. Then, enter your password. If you're unsure about your password, take a moment to recall it or reset it if necessary. Once you've got your email or phone number and your password entered, it's time to move forward. Tap on the Login button again. At this point, the app will take a moment to verify your credentials. But don't worry, it's just standard procedure. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you'll be logged into Discord and ready to join your favorite servers, chat with friends, and explore countless communities. Thanks for watching, and happy Discording.